For this project, we will be using Google Colab as Google Colab has high computation power and CNN requires that. So we already discussed in this project we will be creating a CNN model which in turn will be able to predict whether a plant is suffering from a disease or not. We will create this model using different layers and other hyperparameters. Then we will train and test this model. It is a classification model and basically we have used TensorFlow and Keras for this project. So let's get started. We will first connect our Google Drive to Colab so that we can directly take data from our drive. For this, we first need to upload the data on our drive and then mount the drive on Colab. So the step here from google.colab import drive and drive.mount will help us to mount our drive to Google Colab. For that, you need to upload the data on the drive before doing this. So I have already uploaded my dataset directly. So let's run this command and mount my drive to the Google Cloud. So here you can see that drive already mounted. So the first step is completed. Now let's move forward and see what the content are there in my drive. So for that we need to run this command ls and we need to set this path to my drive. So let's run this and see what all the data I have on my drive so that I can exactly look at where is my data that is being used for this project. So these are different data sets that I have in my drive, out of which I'll be using this plant disease folder for this project. So here you can see that on my drive I have Colab Notebook Plant Images Project Bank. So this is the images that we are going to use. So now let's move forward. So here comes an important step, that is importing all the required libraries. So as we are making a CNN model, we will import all the required layers like activations, optimizers and all other layers like convolution 2D and maxpool 2D layers. Also, we are importing some of the basic libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, whereas this NumPy is used for mathematical calculations, Pandas is used for data frame operations, Matplotlib is for visualization. And we will use CV2, that is OpenCV, for image processing. So let's run this command and import all the required libraries. So now all the required libraries are imported for this project.